shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap.
Uno.
Dos, tres.
Hable siete. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Hable siete. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Oh.
The Lord is good. So I thank the Lord for giving me the things I eat, the sun and the rain and the apple tree. The Lord is good to me. Thanks you for bread and butter. Thanks for one another. Now can we eat?
Yeah, you can eat now.